Tiku o Maki. Today's the Mooloolaba triathlon. Just woken up in my bedroom, getting ready to go. Okay, there goes my specialised bike. I've just put some Tiagra group set on my bike, which has set me back a bit, and I'll be getting ready for the Mooloolaba triathlon. And the tyres I've used is a Vittoria Open Corsa Evo CX 320 TPI. Really good tyres, but very expensive. They're Vittorias, but I'll be using this up in Mooloolaba. But I'm on standby, that's the only problem. So okay, I'm getting ready for the Mooloolaba triathlon. It's the 27th of March 2009. Getting ready for the 1.5 kilometre swim, 40k bike ride and 10k run, which is scheduled for Sunday the 29th of March. Now I only have one problem, and that problem is that I'm on the waiting list. So I'll let you know when I'm up in Mooloolaba in about 6 hours. Okay, this is the coach to Mooloolaba and beyond, heading off to Sunshine Coast. That's my bike, so go up there. This is on a Friday before registration, and this is where I'll be in about half an hour. Hopefully I'll be able to go in. See if I find out. Okay, I'm at Mooloolaba Friday evening. I'm trying to go back to Brisbane because I've been denied entry into the Mooloolaba triathlon. And I'm heading back to Brisbane tomorrow. Well, since I'm not doing the triathlon, I might be doing the ocean swim. Now look at that. The beach is closed. It's a bit choppy at the moment. But I might just register for this and go for a swim. Getting ready for the swim league. Video. Mooloolaba backpackers. Well, it's 4:15. I've just had dinner at home in Christmead. Arrived back home, and from Mooloolaba I went for a 20-kilometre bike ride in Mooloolaba before I boarded the Greyhound bus back to Brisbane, and now I'm back home. Didn't do the triathlon, but I did the ocean swim and did a very mediocre performance, which is to be expected, but not to be expected. I think I achieved, but too bad anyway. back home safely. Finally got a refund from USM Events, and it was quite unflattering. Their letter they sent, including the refund check, and I received it on the day in which I had arrived in Mooloolaba. It was too late. Pretty nasty, a waste of money.